Hello students, I am your chemistry ma'am. In this channel, I am going to explain about ISC and ICSE syllabus related topics, especially from chemistry, practical, theory and some questions. So today my topic is oxidation reduction titration. Oxidation reduction titration, here KMnO4 and Mohr salt generally taken. So first of all, it will be provided with a question and some calculation will be related from that question and some work also you need to do. So first I am going to say you. So you will be provided with a question and some calculation will be related with it. The question is, you are provided with two solutions. C10 is a solution containing 1.70 grams of KMnO4 per liter. C11 is a solution containing 21.9 grams of impure sample of Mohr salt. Formula NH4 whole 2SO4 dot FeSO4 dot 6H2O per liter. Now I am going to start the calculation. So first you need to make the observation table, and this observation table must be filled by your work only. So observation table will related these columns. So you need to make this observation table by the following columns. Observation table, serial number, volume of Mohr salt, volume of KMnO4, initial, final, tritant or concordant reading. So here first your Mohr salt, this one will be your pipette out, means pipette will be provided, you need to take out Mohr salt from there. So the capacity of the pipette uses 25 ml. You can use 20 ml also, but that need to mention. So generally we are using 25 ml. So you will write that. Initial and final. Generally we start from 0. So you will be mentioning initially 0. Final one, whatever value is coming, that is not a particular one and there is no such range. It's all depending on the value what is written in your question, means how much gram is taken to make the solution. So suppose I'm telling, it is not mandatory that the range is coming from 24 to 27 like that. Don't make such thing. Don't keep this idea. You will do your work, then only you will get your value. So suppose in this case my value is coming 25.4. I will go to the second time and again you can take this value, then you will do a minus of it, or else you can start with the 0 again by filling up the burette. And suppose in this case you are getting value like 24.8. So this much value can differ. Though your value is like 25 is coming very good, still up to this range can differ. Then any of the value you will take for your calculation. Okay. Suppose in this case, I am going to take 25.4 as my value. So after making this observation table, you will write these two lines. First of all, capacity of pipette used 25 ml. Then titer value used for your calculation. That will be this value from the above. You need to write down once again here. 25.4 ml. Just to make sure that you are using this value. Okay. Then molarity of C10, that will be your first question. Molarity of C10. Second question, molarity of C11. Third question, strength of Mohr salt. Then percentage purity. So my first answer I will write like this. Molarity of C10 given mass by 158. Now you can ask that from where this 158 coming. 158 is the molecular mass of KMnO4. potassium, manganese, oxygen. These all atomic mass will be provided with your question paper. So now, in this case, after calculating like 39 and others, whatever the value will be provided, like your manganese 55, then 16 into 4, all together you will get this value. And this given mass, that is your question paper given mass 1.70. So I am going to write it 1.70 by 158, and I will get the value like 0.0107 molar. Up to 4 decimal you need to write. Now coming to the second question, molarity of C11. In this case, it's some extension of the formula will come. Formula is M1 V1 by M2 V2 equals to 1 by 5. There have lot of questions. First of all, from where this 1 by 5 came. So for that reason, you need to understand this reaction. What is going on in this process? Here, MnO4 minus is converting to Mn2 plus, and Fe2 plus is converting to Fe3 plus. So by ionic equation balancing in this process, you will get that here your 10 and in this case 2 means 2 by 10. This thing is the most changing part. 2 by 10 means 1 by 5, or else generally I want to say that 5 electrons are using here, or 5 electrons are taking part in this reaction. So that's why this 1 by 5 part will come. Now M1 means KMnO4 molarity. From where it is coming? Here you have calculated, means 0.0107 molar. V1, from where it is coming? That is your tritant value, whatever you have used, 25.4. Then M2 is your question. V2, 25 ml, that is your pipette using value. Now you will write one by one, like 0.0107 into 25.4 M2 into 25 equals to 1 by 5. So your M2 means 0.015, this one I cut it, 07 into 25.4 divided by 5. So your answer is coming like 0.0543 molar. So students, again you need to take up to 4 decimal. Question number 3. Strength of Mohr salt. Formula M2 into molar mass. Molar mass of Mohr salt. As I have told you, from where this 392 coming, I have told you, like here you have calculated KMnO4. Same in this question, you can see your full formula is written. You need to put nitrogen like 14 plus 4 whole multiple 2 plus 32 plus 16 into 4 plus like this. This full value whenever you will calculate it, you will get 392. You may remember this also, you will be habituated with it. So next, M2, from where you have calculated? Here, just before your answer, you have calculated that. Put it. You will get your value like 21.30. That much strength means gram per liter. You can see here also you are getting. Here also you are getting this 21.9 grams per liter. So here also your unit gram per liter you got it. Now percentage purity amount. So you will put your value, that is the pure Mohr salt amount which you will calculate in this strength, 21.30 gram per liter, and amount of impure Mohr salt you will get from your given amount in the question paper, that is 21.9 into 100%. And after calculation, you will get 97%. In this case, up to 4 decimal, you no need to take. But one thing again you listen, this can come up to 95%, 97%, but 100% will not cross. So if you think that something is wrong, then only here you can understand that if anything is wrong, if it cross 100%. Don't think that my value why it is not coming 99%. Always will be not like that. It is prepared like that, and we have a answer key, and definitely it will match if you are correct here in this observation table. So whenever you are doing practical, don't think that I will write the calculation properly. Do your work properly, then your calculation definitely will be 100% correct.